Hi everybody, I hope everyone's well. Well, today I'm going to show you around my house. Show you the Christmas decor and things like that. But before I do that, I want to show you a couple of things that we actually made, or my mom made, but I kind of had the idea about. So I'm going to go around the house and talk about those things. And then you will see my house in the evening time. How it looks when it's all lit and everything else. So I'm going to turn you around so I could show you some of these things. Right here I have my little bird, and the bottom part of the bird down here, I found that at Hobby Lobby and it was on clearance because it was broken. So I decided to use this for my little nesting bird. This little nesting thing I picked up at the Goodwill. I paid 99 cents and I added the ribbon around it, and then I already had the bird. And so I just glued the nest onto the candle holder. So that's that. Also the rocking chair, my husband, this was all like a reddish brown, I guess, and my husband went ahead and did some white chalk paint to it, and then he distressed it, and I think it looks so much better. So he did that. Since moving here, I had pictured 2 trees in this house, and this one we picked up at Hobby Lobby, and the decorations on it, or the garland around it, this right here with the canaries, I bought eons ago. Some of you might remember Mervyn's. Well, that's when I bought those many moons ago. Over here, these little plates or little plaques, these are from the 99-cent store, and my mom made the bows to hide the thumbtack on those, and she did them all different. And then she put in the center, she put the little ornament. So we did that with those. Okay. Over here, this here is just a box, just a hollow box. And we wrapped it, or my mom, I had the idea, I got the idea from Michael's, but we bought this burlap. She wrapped it in burlap, then she put the ribbons, and then we just decorated it with some foliage, and it came out really nice. So it's just an empty box. And then over here I had my bird cage, and what I did was I got that bow at the 99 cents. It's a little crooked. And then that deer, this one here, I bought at Dollar Tree, and then this I bought at Michael's, at the Dollar Tree, and we just glued it onto that. The collage of picture frames I picked up at the Goodwill, and then I had some stock paper, so I put that in the back. And this I got at, I want to say Target. And then on this one we just put some ribbon and some foliage. Over here, that little plate is from Hobby Lobby. And then over here is some stock paper again, and then this sleigh is from Dollar Tree. And that's what we did with that one. Okay, over here on the lamp, all I did was put some ribbon around the lamp shade. I thought it just added some detail over here. This here, I got it at Hobby Lobby, but it was really like a rustic dark brown, right? Mm-hmm. Brown, yeah. And then my husband just put some chalk paint, and then we really distressed it out. It came out good. I liked it. Over here we have some more gift boxes, and this one has a little bird. I don't know if you can see that. And so we have 2 here. They're supposed to be a little closer together. And then over here I have 3 more. But those are the other gift boxes. Like I said, I saw the idea at Michael's. I bought the supplies and my mom put it together for me. And I just loved it. Loved it. Look at that. Look at that prettiness. She did such a beautiful job. Really pretty job. Here's my tree and how I decorated it. It's basically those little, just little animals, you know, like this. This is so simple. I used to do the Hallmark, ornaments, but oh my gosh, those are really hard to put up. Just things like this. This one's for my son Aiden, who's like playing the guitar. This is my daughter. She loves this one. And look at this pretty lion. She loves that one too. And then we're Steelers fans, so here's my husband's. And here's another Steeler ornament. We just picked this one up this year at a festival we went to. And yeah. Most of these ornaments I picked up at Target on clearance after the holidays. Most of them. Look at that one. It's cute. I like it. A little fox up there. It's so easy to put up. My kids did it in no time. This angel was my mom's. She had it for years and years and years, and she gave it to me a couple years ago. This nativity set here is blessed. We had it blessed. And this was my mom's, and she gave it to me years ago now. You know, this thing here, this sleigh was from Target. And then this is from Target, and I glued it together there. This is extra foliage I had, and then this is the ribbon I had left over. And yeah, my mom pieced it all together for me. Came out really, I like that. I like the way that came out. Okay guys, that's it. That was just the little details. I kind of wanted to show you what we did. Yeah, we had a lot of fun that night when we decorated. So now what you're going to do, now what you're going to see is you're actually going to see the house when all the lights on, the fireplace on, and how it looks at night. And yeah, I really liked it. It makes the house really look and feel cozy. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and now I'll let you see the rest of the house.